Back in the garage, just doing some miscellaneous stuff on the 92. This is the T-top. That was completely faded, and so I'll clean that up. There was also an issue with opening and closing it because the handle would stick, like the whole mechanism was just kind of jank. So I took that apart, cleaned it, lubricated it, that's all good. I have my new taillight. I really should have recorded this process, and I'm sorry that I didn't, but this came really poorly packaged from an eBay seller, and the corner was broken off. I was able to fix it. It's probably about 95%. I'm really actually pretty impressed with my repair, if I'm being honest. So the eBay seller is being shady now. They haven't responded to me. So I'll probably just run that for now. And I'm also working on the door cup holder. If you're familiar with these 91, 92s, they have a cup holder on the door. Those are notorious for being gone, especially on the driver's side. I cleaned it up. It looks pretty good for what it is. So I've got that pretty much epoxied in place. There's one missing there, so I'm gonna print a piece in ABS and then glue it to that, and that'll take care of that. These things are super hard to find, so that's what I got. Got this piece cleaned up, and I've got the other side to do, so I'll do some time lapses or something when I clean up the other side. This also was super nasty, so I cleaned up both sides because that's the way I am. And let's see what else I got. I need to clean this. I think I'll do this next. This is all filthy in here. It just needs to be cleaned up, so that's not a big deal. Here's the taillight that currently is broken. I don't think I can save that one. So we'll get that swapped out sometime this weekend, and should be good. Those are my super awesome manual knobs. I'm really proud of those. I spent way too much time making them, but I did throw some up on eBay, so maybe somebody will buy some if they need them. So anyway, that's kind of what's going on out here. I'm just kind of piddling around, honestly. All right, that's done. Probably seems silly to do that since the rest of the car is still in bad shape, but got to start somewhere and I needed something to do. So there's my fixed T-top. This has been painted. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. This T-top, I cleaned it. However, you can probably see it's got a lot of water spots. And so I'm gonna try and see if I can hit it with some fine steel wool and get that stuff out. So let's see what we can do here. Alright, well that worked nicely. See where I didn't do it, and then right there in the center where I did, so I'm going to go over the rest of the thing. And there is about, I don't know, a minute and a half of me cleaning that up. There's still some scratches. I mean, this car is 30 years old, so I'm not gonna worry about that, but I'm really happy with how this black turned out. Let me show you what the other one looks like so you have some reference, and then I'll fix this one up. So you can kind of see that one's just not, the paint just did, the sun killed that. And you can see all the water spots. All right, back in the garage. Got Mike with me today. We're getting ready to do hatch struts. These things are completely shot and this hatch will kill you. So we're gonna go ahead and set you up on a tripod and swap those out real quick. Is it not releasing?
Nope.
Huh. Oh, please. Oh, Jesus! Okay. 8. Oh, is it going? Yeah. Alright, well. Yeah, that's what I was wondering, if I just need a screwdriver.
Yeah, probably.
Strong arm. Oh. There we go. Yep. Alright, that one's already off.
I just pulled it off.
Oh. Thanks. You're slow.
This one's kind of.
I'm gonna go ahead and pop this loose real quick and. Yeah. We got the Hole Master 3000 there. You ready? got it? Ugh. I better probably start this by hand, huh?
Let's see.
That's what you're gonna see when we race.
Right. It's like a hazard lights on when it's on the side of the road.
Let's try the reverse lights.
Yep.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Are they good and bright? Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that, all of them lit up? Sweet.
Dad, don't hit your jeans on that fabulous paint.
My bad. $30 worth of bulbs. Right there. That looks fabulous. You can't even tell where my taillight was busted.
Top of that one.
Am I ready for this?
Yes.
Watch. Oh! Is that not the most awesome thing ever?
That is pretty cool.
1992.
I got a 2015 and it don't even do that.
Want to see it again?
Are we gonna be shocked this time too? I didn't know what to
Wait a
expect, to
minute.
be honest.
Yeah, just wait.
You gotta get back in the, it blocked your.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, your reaction got blocked on the first one.
Whoa!
Wow, that's so
Woo! That's amazing. I mean, between that and the light bulbs and no cracks that you can see.
And the different textures, but.
Maybe you can wrap the top of it.